Hello, and happy Tip Tuesday. My name is Mike Latzy, and today I've got a quick tip on a feature we've added in version 14.1 that gives us a better organization ability for our reports on our new reports screen, specifically changing order of groups and order of reports within groups. To get started, we will navigate to Profile Manager, to the Management menu, to Equipment Searching, Reports and Layouts. In this grid, a few fields that we care about here, I pulled these to the front just so we can see what's going on. Menu group, group order, menu order. There's one other field that we want to make sure we just filter the selections here on, and it's all the way almost at the end. It's called Show Tile. We just want to check that funnel and turn those to only show the reports that are visible. So first off, I'm going to sort by the menu group. So we can see we've got some searches and reports that do not have a menu group. We want to make sure at least the equipment searches here specifically, if we do not provide a menu group, you'll see in the reports screen, there's actually just a general reports menu that gets created. So that is important to know, just that if you do not specify a menu group, you will need to look for those under that report category. So here, if I open up one of these items, let's say I want to make sure equipment due for calibration group is at the top of my screen in the reports. I would set that group order to a number 1. I would do the next group, and you can see as I do this that number is applied to all the reports in that group. So I will move down the line here. And let's say I want to make my standards reports come after events, then invoicing, then miscellaneous. Another important thing to note here, if you leave any with a menu or a group order of 0, those will filter to the top of your list. So you just want to make sure that you can use the same number over. If you want to, they will then just sort by that number and then alphabetically. You can also control the order of the reports inside a menu group. So here I want to make my Cal due for today be item 1 within that group. And then do this month would be actually number 3. And do this week, I want to make number 2. So let's go ahead and perform a reload all settings, and let's take a look at how this appears. Okay, you can see my new order now, and my reports are ordered within that equipment due for calibration menu. But one important thing to note again, these 3 reports did not have a menu group, so they defaulted to reports, and they also, because they didn't have a group order, float to the top of the screen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.